In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on DXtrade. Now, that's actually very simple to do. So as you can see here, you have three standard loadouts. You could go to the standard, trade, or charts over here, and on each and every single one of them, you could actually place a trade. So when you are on any of the charts over here, you can place a trade by clicking either the buy or sell button up top, and of course, you can sell the amount as well. And then when you click on buy or sell, you'll be able to again set the amount of lots, the symbol you actually want to trade, and here you can select the order type, which could be market, limit, stop, or OCO. And then here you can then click on buy or sell, and then you can just send in the order, and then the order is gonna get placed. So that's the first way, and the second one, of course, is on the charts over here. So on any of the charts, you could just go ahead and do the same thing, or you could also get that pop-up window by going to the trade tab here, and then you have your default watch list, which of course you can customize if you want to. And then when you are ready to actually buy or sell something, you can just go ahead and click on either sell or buy over here. Again, select which order type you want, if you want to sell or buy, and then you can click on sell order again. And this is essentially how you can place a trade on DXtrade. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.